Hey everyone, you are welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Today guys, we are making macaroni salad. You can also make this with pasta. So guys, I would like to shout out to all you, my subscribers, my friends. Thanks for your support. Newcomers, thank you so much for coming as well. So the very first thing we're doing today is to wash all the vegetables we'll be using. What I'm washing right now are the carrots I'll be using, okay? And this one you're seeing now is my cucumber that I'll be using for the salad as well. And this is the tomatoes I'll be using. And what I have here is my lettuce. Guys, I will not be using the whole lettuce. I'm just going to use half of it. So the remaining one will be used tomorrow. All right, so that's what I'm using, just half of it. I need to clean it well, remove all what I don't want on it, and cut the parts I will not be adding to my salad as well off from the lettuce. Okay, and today I will not be washing my vegetables only with ordinary water. No, I'll be adding some vinegar into the water. This will keep it really clean and free from germs. Okay, so now I'm going to leave it for about 5 minutes in that water. So let's move on. What I have now is my boiled water that I'll be using for cooking my macaroni, okay, or pasta. So what I have here is almost 3 liters. I'll be cooking it for just 10 minutes, and I'll be adding salt and of course just 2 tablespoonfuls of oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil. Please read the package of the pasta or macaroni you'll be using. So this sausage, you can just skip it if you don't want to add it into it. It's also possible, but I love to add the sausage into it today. I've just soaked it in hot water for some minutes now. So I've moved on to this well cleaned vegetables. So it's now time to chop them, cut it, slice it. What I'm cutting right now is the lettuce, okay? The half of the lettuce is what I'll be using today, like I've said. So I'm just chopping it now to the size I love, okay? So after that, I'll be transferring it into a bigger bowl, into a salad bowl. And this is the cucumber. I only need to peel and chop now. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Remember to press the subscribe button, like this video if you like what you're watching. I would like to see you next Thursday on this very platform. Share to your friends as well. God bless you for doing so. So that's our cucumber, and I will be transferring it now into the salad bowl as well. So that's the tomatoes. You can use any other tomatoes that you have. This is what I have, and that is what I'll be using today. So cut the tomatoes and cut it into the size you will want it to be. Please check the description box for the written recipe there, okay? So now it's time for the carrots. You have to peel the carrots. You can just chop the carrots, but I will not be doing that today. After peeling, I'm just going to shred the carrot. I love it this way, okay? This is how it's going to come out after shredding. So transfer it into the vegetable bowl as well. It looks yummy already, huh? Like I've said, guys, you can skip the sausage part if you want to keep it really veggie, but I just love to add it to tea, okay? And it makes it really yummy. Now I've just sliced it to my desired sizes, and I will also transfer it into the salad bowl. So guys, let's move on. Now my macaroni is done. After 10 minutes it is done according to the package. All right, so now I've drained the water and my vegetables are also ready. And this is the mayonnaise I'll be using. You can also use salad cream. If you don't want to use mayonnaise, you can use salad cream. So I'll be adding some salt to taste into it, and guys, some little black pepper. This makes it yummy. It makes it really super. Try it. So guys, mix everything thoroughly, combine it really well now. So after that, now it's time to add our well boiled and drained macaroni. Just be adding it into it little by little and keep mixing. Mix everything thoroughly, let them come out yummy. Taste and adjust your salt, okay, to your taste, and this is how it's going to come out. It's perfect for your lunch, perfect for your dinner. We are now in summer here where we are. It goes really well, okay, and you're going to love it. It's healthy, it's yummy, it's simple. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share. God bless you, and thank you so much for watching.
From sweet to savory, we have everything you need.
Yes, please.
Tololicious Kitchen.